Hello, future scientists. Let me start with a question. How many times did you look into a mirror today? Probably while brushing, combing your hair, or just checking if your face looks awake enough for class. That simple act is thanks to the plane mirror. It forms a virtual image that's upright and of the same size as you. No stretching, no shrinking, just an honest reflection. That's why mirrors make perfect looking glasses. And if you're thinking of selfies, well, mirrors were the original cameras before cameras were invented. Now, here's a clever trick doctors use. Step into an optician's room. Notice how the space feels bigger than it really is? That's because they place a plane mirror on the wall behind the patient and the signboard on the front wall. The mirror doubles the effective distance of the signboard. So when the doctor asks you to read those tiny letters, you're actually testing your eyes as if the room were twice as long. Physics saves construction costs here. No need to build a bigger clinic, just add a mirror. Alright, let's head to the barber's shop. Ever wondered how you see the back of your head when you get a haircut? No, the barber doesn't have X-ray vision. They use two mirrors, one at the front, one at the back. Light bounces back and forth, and voila, you see your own head's backside. So the next time you admire your haircut from behind, thank the laws of reflection, not just the barber's scissors. Let's dive under the sea, submarines. A sailor deep underwater still wants to see what's happening on the surface. How? Using a periscope. Inside a periscope, two plane mirrors are fixed at 45 degrees with respect to the vertical walls. Light from the surface reflects down one mirror, then another, and finally reaches the sailor's eye. The same principle works in tanks and even for kids playing hide and seek. A periscope lets you see without being seen. Science gives you super spy skills. Now, let's add some art to physics. Ever played with a kaleidoscope? You peek inside, rotate it, and suddenly colorful hexagonal patterns dance before your eyes. Here's the science. 3 plane mirrors are arranged at 60 degrees inside the tube. Tiny colored glass pieces or bangles are placed at the end. With each rotation, reflections multiply into symmetric designs. What you're actually seeing is pure geometry of reflection, nature's way of turning randomness into beauty. Alright, let's step outside into the sunlight. Did you know a simple plane mirror can cook your lunch? In solar cookers or water heaters, a plane mirror reflects sunlight onto a container. Multiple rays are redirected onto one spot, increasing the heat. Blackened pots absorb this energy efficiently, warming food or water. This way, a humble mirror saves fuel and helps the environment. It's not just vanity, it's eco-friendly physics at work. So let's reflect, pun intended, on all the places where plane mirrors shine in our lives. From your bedroom looking glass to the optician's clever trick, from the barber's shop to the submarine periscope, from the magical kaleidoscope to the eco-friendly solar cooker, mirrors are everywhere. The secret is simple. Plane mirrors always give you a virtual, upright, same-sized image. And from that basic property, the world has invented countless clever uses. So, next time you look at yourself in the mirror, remember, it's not just showing your face, it's showing the power of physics. That's all for today. Until next time, keep reflecting, both in thought and in mirrors.